Hi, it's Aidan here at Blackpool SEAT, showing you around the SEAT Ibiza FR Sport that we have in stock. It's finished off in a rare colour, it's Eclipse orange, with a DSG automatic gearbox. Got your SEAT lighting, daytime running lights, along with your Ibiza FR Sport alloys. It's one of SEAT's rarest colours, this Eclipse orange. Paintwork on this car is in great condition. This car's a 19 plate, sat on around 23,000 miles. I'll confirm that when we get inside the car. But as you can see, this particular car did come with panoramic roof optional extra. So it's a rare spec and an even rarer colour. This won't stick around for long, so if you are interested in this car, please contact us now. Cars for sale here at Blackpool SEAT. We're part of the Cox Motor Group, privately owned, family run group of dealerships. So at the Blackpool site, you've got us, Blackpool SEAT. Next door to us, you've got Blackpool Auto Mart. That's where quite a few of our part exchanges come in. They sell a variety of brands of cars. Next door to them, you've got Honda bikes. And across the road, you've got our flagship dealership, which is Blackpool Honda. Over in the distance, you've got the paint and body shop clinic, as well as the in-house workshop. So all used cars do go through body shop prep before sale, as well as a workshop check. It's a 142 point check, very extensive. It includes your brakes and your tyres. So any tyres that are below 3 mil in tread will get replaced with some fresh ones. Cox Motor Group, they also own dealerships in Kendal, Lancaster, Southport, Blackpool of course, and Wigan. As part of our used car programme as well, the cars do come with at least 9 months MOT and at least 9 months service. Just part of the programme, it's a very good programme. Yeah, let's get into the car. I'll show you the boot first. Plenty of room in the boot, parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy. The seats do fold in a 60-40 split, giving you plenty of extra room. Onto the rear interior. As you can see, you get a part Alcantara, part leather interior. You've got your ISOFIX mounting points on the rear seats for any child seats. You do also get quite a bit of leg room in the back for any rear passengers. Give you one last look at the panoramic roof before I shut it, because it is quite cold today. It is an excellent optional extra, and it is quite a rare one as well. The last Ibiza FR Sport that we got in with panoramic roof was only in stock for 3 days before it did sell. So yeah, let's get into the front of the car. So as I said before, you've got a DSG automatic gearbox with this Ibiza FR Sport. To the left of the gear stick, you've got your child locks, auto stop start, and your different driving modes, which do pop up on the infotainment system. So you've got Eco, Normal, Sport and Individual to tailor it to your own driving needs. Down in the centre console tray, you've got your different power outlets, dual zone climate control. And I'll talk you through the infotainment system now. Button on the bottom right brings you to your main menu. So you've got all your radio and your media sources on the first two options. Satellite navigation. Traffic updates, Bluetooth Handsfree audio, all your driving data. Full link for this car, so that's your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your mirror link. You can adjust the sound settings on your speakers. And that's the infotainment system. Onto the cockpits, you'll find a digital cockpit with this car. So on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your different buttons to change the display. So clicking the view button, You can change how the cockpit's laid out. And the 2 buttons just above the view button change what's displayed in the centre, so you can have your media sources displayed, Bluetooth hands-free audio, your driving data. Most people like to display the range that they've got left in the tank. You can also have your satellite navigation displayed down the centre of the cockpit. It's an excellent feature to have. As you can see, very large image, very clear image. Stops you looking to your left every time you need to check the sat-nav. Excellent feature to have. While I'm on the speedometer, as you can see, this car is sat on 23,069 miles. With it being an FR Sport, you do get the red FR stitching around the steering wheel, around the seats as well, and you get a couple of FR badges dotted in and around the car. Down to the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your light style with your daytime running lights. And on the driver's door card, you've got electrically adjustable mirrors as well as foldable mirrors, electrical windows for the front passenger and front driver window. And yeah, that is the car. You've also got ambient lighting down the driver's and passenger door card. It's a nice little touch to have, especially at night, especially in these winter shorter days. It's a really nice feature to have, ambient lighting. So yeah, that is the car. Like I said earlier, it's a rare colour, it's a rare spec, and it's a rare combination. So this car won't be with us for long. If you'd like to know any more information about this vehicle or any finance options available on this car, please contact the sales team on 01253 600 980. We hope to hear from you soon.